Next example, example 6.2. Write IUPAC names of the following. First one, सबसे पहले longest carbon carbon chain number करेंगे और in this compound there is double bond as well as the halogen present. तो जब halogen और double bond दोनों रहते हैं then the double bond gets the priority. So numbering the chain so that the doubly bonded carbon atoms get the lowest locator number. तो ये हो जाएगा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So longest chain is of 5 carbon. There is a double bond at the second carbon. So pent2ene will be the parent name. Bromine is present as a substituent on the fourth carbon. So the name of the compound becomes 4-bromopent2ene. Second one, again following the same rule, select the longest carbon-carbon chain, number the chain so that the doubly bonded carbon gets the lowest locator number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon chain. So 4 carbon chain, first and second carbon. Between first and second carbon there is a double bond. So parent compound is but1ene and there is a substituent, methyl substituent on the second carbon and there is bromine present on the third carbon. So the name becomes, naming in alphabetical order, 3-bromo-2-methyl-but1ene. The third compound, again number the longest carbon-carbon chain, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Between second and third carbon there is a double bond. Total number of carbon in the longest chain is 5. So the parent compound is pent2ene. Third carbon there is a methyl substituent. Fourth carbon bromine is present. So naming in alphabetical order, 4-bromo-3-methyl-pent2ene. The fourth compound. In this compound select the longest chain. Now numbering the chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here the doubly bonded carbon gets the lowest locator number, that is 2, and the carbon containing bromine gets the locator number 1. What if you number the chain from the other side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case the carbon containing bromine is getting the locator number 4, but the doubly bonded carbon again gets the locator number 2. So there are two options. The first one is give locator number 1 to the carbon containing bromine and locator number 2 to the doubly bonded carbon. Second option is locator number 4 to the carbon containing bromine and locator number 2 to the doubly bonded carbon. Now this combination will be selected because it gives the lowest locator number. This combination is the combination of the lowest locator numbers. So numbering the chain from this side, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 is the correct way to number the chain. So name of the compound becomes, now parent chain is a 4 carbon chain containing double bond between second and third carbon. So it is but2ene. On the second carbon there is a substituent, that is methyl substituent. First carbon is bonded to bromine, so the name of the compound becomes 1-bromo-2-methyl-but2ene. Fifth one, again numbering the chain 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon chain, between second and third carbon there is a double bond. So parent chain is but2ene and first carbon contains bromine, so 1-bromo-but2ene. Next is compound 6. So 1, 2, 3. Longest chain is 3 carbon chain. Between first and second carbon there is a double bond and on the second carbon there is a methyl group. Third carbon is bonded to bromine. So 3-bromo-2-methyl. Now instead of writing prop1ene, it is just written propene because the lowest locator number of the doubly bonded carbon is 1. So prop1ene or propene means the double bond is between the first and the second carbon. In example 4, the combination 1 and 2 is correct and the combination 4 and 2 is wrong. Point to be noted, propene, it consists of only 3 carbon chain. So the doubly bonded carbon will always have the lowest locator number as 1. The two carbons between which double bond exists is carbon number 1 and carbon number 2. Now whether the double bond is present on this end of the chain or on the other end of the chain, for example CH3 CH double bond CH2. Now the double bond is present on this end of the chain. So numbering the chain will take place from this side. So 1, 2, 3. Again this is prop 1 in. So in propene, since there are only 3 carbon atoms present, the double bond exists between the first and the second carbon, or the doubly bonded carbon gets the lowest locator number as 1.